1 tablespoon butter. Cook on low heat. 75 grams vermicelli. Roast on low flame for 2 minutes. 1 liter milk. Cook on medium flame until milk boils. 1/2 cup sugar. Cook for 5 minutes. 1/2 teaspoon green cardamom powder. 2 tablespoons almonds, chopped. 2 tablespoons dry dates, chopped. 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut. 2 tablespoons raisins. Cook for 2 minutes. 1/2 cup milk and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix well. Add corn flour mixture. Stir continuously. Cook for 2 minutes. Few drops Kheer water. Garnish with almonds and dry dates.